Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video you are going to learn how you can connect Razorpay with Aweber application so that you can add the details of any customer who is purchasing your products from Razorpay payment page into Aweber, which is an email marketing tool. So this is quite a useful automation, and as it is going to allow you to add your customer without manually sorting out the details of your customer from Razorpay, then adding those customers one by one in any email marketing tool like Aweber. So now let me show you how it is going to work. So guys, the flow of this automation is going to look like this. As and when you receive a payment from Razorpay payment page, the same customer who is making this payment will be added in a list in Aweber application. And this is going to happen automatically without any manual copy pasting of data between these two applications. Okay, so it will surely save your time and improve your efficiency and productivity. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any kind of coding skills or programming knowledge. So anyone can set up this automation easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into Pabbly Connect account. For that, you can check the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and that will give you 100 free automation tasks for every month. Okay. After that, you can log in and reach here on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this, and here you have to create a workflow to start working. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So I have given the name to this workflow as send Razorpay customers in a list in Aweber automatically. Okay, now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. Okay, and on this page you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of any event. So it is saying here when this happens, and the action is the response to the trigger. So it is saying do this. All right. As in our use case, the trigger would be receiving of payment from any customer via Razorpay payment page, and the action or the response to that trigger would be to add that customer in a list in Aweber. Okay, so first of all, you have to click here and set up your trigger. So you have to search for your trigger application first. So in our case, the trigger application is Razorpay. So search for Razorpay here. Okay, here is Razorpay selected. And in the trigger event, you have to select payment captured option. This one, let me show you. This is payment captured. So it will trigger this workflow when the status of the payment is changed to captured. Okay. Now it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, and it is used to fetch the data out from any external application to here in Pabbly Connect. So with the help of this, we are going to fetch the details of any demo customer from Razorpay to here to set up this automation further. Okay, so you need to follow these steps written here to set up this webhook. So you have to go to your Razorpay account and navigate to the webhook section available under the settings. Let me show you how you can do this. This is my Razorpay's dashboard, guys. And from this left hand side panel, I am going to scroll down and click on settings. And on this page, you will find this webhooks tab here on the top. Click on webhooks. Okay. And you can add a new webhook here by clicking on this add new webhook button. And here you have to paste the webhook URL that you have got here in Pabbly Connect. Click on copy in Pabbly Connect and paste the URL here like this. Okay, and here in the active events section, you have to check this payment.captured box. Okay, check this box here, then click on create webhook, and you can see the webhook is saved successfully here. And here you can see, as you have copied this webhook URL, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. Now this means that you have to do a test submission, or you have to make a demo purchase from any payment page in Razorpay, so that we can capture the details of a customer here, any demo customer, and with the help of that only we are going to move forward. Okay, so I'm going to my Razorpay's dashboard and I'm opening payment pages. Here are the payment pages, and here I'm going to I'm going to buy this product, okay, a quick heal, or let's say this one, core PHP programming, or you can choose any product. Let me choose this web development course, okay. So this is the payment capture, oh sorry, this is the web developer courses payment page. So I'm going to copy the link of the payment page, and I'm opening this page in a new tab here, and I'm going to fill the details of a customer. This is the email ID, this is the phone number, this is the, and the first name is Lakshmi Shastri, product name is web development course, and I'm going to click on pay here. So we are in test mode, so this is a demo payment. I'm choosing card option, and I'm adding the test card details here, okay. These are the test card details. The name is Lakshmi, and this is the code, okay. And I'm clicking on pay here, and this is the demo bank page loading up. From here I'm going to click on success, and you will see that the demo payment will be successful like this, okay. So this payment is successful. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the data of this payment. So it's still waiting, and you can see the data is here of a new payment received from Razorpay. You can see this is the amount, these are all the details, this is the card details, okay, and this is the details of the customer. Now I want to add the same customer in a list that I have in Aweber. So this is a list I have. This is the Ashirai list, okay. So I'm going to add this customer in this list. So now to add this customer into a list in Aweber, you need to connect Aweber application in this actions tab. So search for Aweber here. This is it. Select this, okay. And in the action events, you have to select add subscriber option. So it will add a new subscriber in the mailing list. Click on connect, and from here add new connection, and then click on connect with Aweber. So it will bring you to the login window if you are not logged in. As I have already logged in here in Aweber, it will just ask for the required permissions like this. So you have to provide the access. Just click on allow access here, and you will be connected with Aweber. Okay, so it is asking to log in. So I'm logging in here. And you can see now that we are getting connected. The authorization is successful and we are connected. So now it is showing the account ID here. The email list is here, Ashirai's list. Now it is asking for the full name and the email of the customer to add in the list. So guys, we got the details of the customer here in this first step, and here in this response received section, you will find the contact details like this email and the phone number and the name as well. So I am going to map this details here. So when you map the things, what will happen? Let me first show you how you can map this. So to map the data, just click on the full name, and you will find this Razorpay payment captured option in the drop down. And when you click on it, you will get all the data that you have received in the first step. So from here, I'm going to map the name. This is the first name, and I'm also mapping the last name. This is the last name, okay. And for the email, use the same process. Find the email and map it, okay. So guys, why we map things? We map things here because after setting up this automation, whenever you receive a new payment from any customer, this data is going to change automatically and a new customer will be added in Aweber, okay. Right, now let's check our connection, if our connection with Aweber is working properly or not. So here are the list of the subscribers I have. Now I'm clicking on save and send test request here. So here you can see it showing us this error in the response received section. So it is showing the error as this. You can see that the subscriber is already subscribed, okay. So once you add a person here with this email, with one email ID, after that the same email ID will not be added as a subscriber in the mailing list. So you need to have a new email ID. So I think this person is already subscribed in my Aweber. So just to show you how this thing is going to work, I am changing this email ID manually here. Just to show you the demo, I'm putting here a different one. Okay. Now let's see what happens. And here it is showing this message. Now let's check in my Aweber application. And here you can see Lakshmi Shastri is added here like this. Okay. And the status is pending, but it is now already added here in the list. Okay. So this is how it is going to work, and you don't have to manually enter the email address. You have to map the data. So I'm mapping it again. I just wanted to show you the demo how it is going to work. That's why I've entered the data manually. Okay, so I'm mapping the email again. Okay, and we are done now. We are done setting up this automation, and let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in the trigger section, I connected Razorpay. And with the help of this webhook URL, I fetch the data of a test customer here like this. Okay, by making a demo purchase of any product. And then I connected in this actions tab Aweber application and map the details required to add a new subscriber in the list. And guys, you have to set up this automation only once. You have to make the connections and map the data only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, as and when you are going to receive any payment from Razorpay payment pages, the customers will going to be added here in the subscribers list in your Aweber application automatically. Okay. And guys, the best part is you can use this same workflow that I have just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.